music instruments like harmonium, tabla, etc. Now, let us talk about language. There used to be a time where Sanskrit was a highly demanded language, but now a large number of people inspired by French and Spanish as their third language. Now, let us talk about dressing sense. From wearing ethical sari and salwar suits, women are now shifted into jeans and top inspired by the Western culture. People literally gave a huge amount to go in international concerts. The teenagers have only preferred to learn French and Spanish as their third language, and they wear international brand for clothes with a higher quality and better standard. Now let us talk about dance forms. India has a rich culture and dance forms of every state like Bharatanatyam, Bihu, etc. The new entry of dance forms like Zumba, Jazz, Salsa, etc. come to India, and large number of people from kids to elders prefer learning only these dance forms. Now due to this, I want to say that our Indian culture is decaying. Now I will speak against the motion. Let us talk about music. Now also people from kids to elders listen old Hindi songs which make them feel happy and relaxed. Now let us talk about language. I think that it's about a wish that you want to speak which language. It's not about your mother tongue. If you get a chance to go in abroad, it will help you to survive in it. People say that there used to be a time where Sanskrit was a highly demanded language, but now a large number of people use Sanskrit in most of the schools. The school starts with the Sanskrit jokes. It means that our Indian culture is still safe. Now, let us talk about dressing sense. From wearing ethical sari and salwar suits, women are now shifted into jeans and top inspired by the Western culture. They think that they look cool in their dress. I think that it's about your dress, it's about your character which makes you a gentleman. Now, dance forms. India has a rich culture in dance forms like Bihu, Bharatanatyam, etc. And now also people don't forget their dance forms. Like in the big TV show Dance India Dance, there are some people who did only their Indian dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Bihu, etc. Due to this, I want to say that our Indian culture is not decaying. Now, at last but not the least, I want to quote some line. Once a British asked Swami Vivekanand, why can't you wear proper clothes to look like a gentleman? Swami Vivekanand smiled and said, in your culture, a tailor makes a gentleman, but in our culture, character makes gentleman. So in the end, I want to say that following something from Western culture is not about that. The importance of Indian culture is at stake. Indian culture is still safe. Thank you for listening carefully.